Hey everybody, hope everyone's having a good day. I want to welcome everybody to Billy's Blades and Tools. If you could like, subscribe, and share, and even make some comments for me, I'd appreciate that. But today I've got some kind of a mail call that I want to talk about. A couple different Victorinox knives. One I got off of eBay, and one was sent in for warranty. So let's talk about that. All right, so here's a couple packages we'll talk about today. I already opened it. This one is from Victorinox. I sent a knife in to get some repair work done. I've never done that before, so I thought I'd give it a try. Let's see what they sent me. Everything. Got a little receipt thing here. Basically, it just tells me that they sent it back. What I sent them. The main blade was slightly bent at the tip, and the magnifying glass, the glass part of it, has fallen out and was lost, so I just needed that repaired. So I sent it in, and this is what they sent back. The two scales, they were kind of broken on the end. I didn't expect them to replace that. I also did not send them toothpick and the tweezers. So it looks like they repaired it. They sent back the blade that was bent. Just barely see. Just tweaked a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell here. But I knew that I wasn't going to try to straighten it. Otherwise, the blade was in, pretty good shape. Then the magnifying glass, that's what it looked like. And there's no glass in there. So I sent that in, hoping they could replace it. And they did. So this is it. They put brand new scales on. Nice and shiny. Also, toothpick. New toothpick. New tweezers. And it's a different style magnifying glass. But, there it is. Now I forget what model this is. I probably should have looked that up before I started the video. But that brand new blade. Nice and shiny and straight. This one has screwdriver, main blade, there's the magnifying glass, combination tool, screwdriver, cap lifter, wire stripper. File opener with the flat blade screwdriver on there. The small blade. This I can cut myself. There we go. Got the scissors. Corkscrew. What they call the parcel hook. The awl. Sewing awl, that's what that little hole's for, I guess. But yeah, they cleaned it up. It's all nice and shiny inside. A little cruddy. I was going to clean it, but then I sent it in. But they sent it back. Took approximately 2 weeks from when I sent it in. There wasn't a lot of communication. I got an email that said that they had received it. Then, about a week and a half later, maybe 2 weeks later, I called to see, where we were at in the process. And they told me that it was on the bench. They'd be sending it out soon. So a couple days later, maybe 3 days later, it came by UPS with the paperwork here inside, no charge, and I'm really impressed. So I essentially have a new knife here. So that is quite interesting that they do that. I have another knife that I'll probably send in eventually, but anyway, I had purchased this, I think, on eBay. And at the time, I didn't read the description very well. I didn't know that the magnifying glass was missing. I went back and read it, and of course, yes, it was right there in the description. So I went ahead, sent it in, and there it is, all nice and shiny. I'll save these old scales for something later, for maybe you're experimenting on trying to do different things. Oh, and the other thing too is with this corkscrew here, if this is going to pick it up, but there's a little tiny hole right there at the bottom of the corkscrew. The lighting's not too good, but Victorinox has a pin that they put in there, like a straight pin. I'll get one of those, or I'll get one of my own and put in there just to have something in there. But yeah, it's my sort of brand new knife. Got extra blade here in case get something with a really broken blade. Then my other package, I got this on eBay. Every once in a while I look for different Victorinox knives. This knife came from New England Collectibles. I always have my limit on what I bid, so I put that in at the appropriate time, and if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I move on to the next one. So this one I got at the price that I wanted it. That this was the number on it. I paid $16.38 for it, free shipping. This is called the Hiker. I was looking for a Victorinox that had a saw on it. So this is what I got. It's got an advertisement on it. Either I can sand that off or maybe just buy some new scales for it. But this had what I wanted on it. It's got the saw. Haven't tried the saw yet. That's what it looks like. Very aggressive teeth. Give it a shot sometime. But it's got a toothpick, tweezers instead of a corkscrew. It's got a Phillips screwdriver on there. It does not have a hole for the pin. That's a different set of scales. But for a little over $16. I think it did. I did good. Blade's in very good condition. Get the blade just right on that. I'll have to look up what year span this is. It's not real old. It's got the can opener, screwdriver, combo tool, larger screwdriver, cap lifter, wire stripper. It's a small pin blade. It's pretty sharp. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. Again, the Phillips screwdriver. Got the sewing awl, got the hole in there. But overall, it's in good shape. Got the saw on it like I wanted. This is what they call a 3-layer. This other one, the 4-layer. You see the difference there. A little heavier, but yeah. So I'll work on these scales, sand them down. I don't know how deep that goes. You know, if anybody knows how deep some of those advertisement things go, let me know. But again, I might try sanding on it, but more than likely I'll just buy new scales, change the color maybe. But that's what I got in the mail. One was the mail, one was UPS, but I always am excited when I get something in the mail like that. New and exciting. Just add to the collection. So anyway, that's what I got. That's all I've got for today. So, well, here's the finished product of the one Victorinox knife that had the advertisement on it. I was able to sand the advertisement off. I don't know how deep they actually go into the scales, but it took me a little bit to sand it to get it off. I sanded it down, polished it. It's not perfect. I only had 800 grade sandpaper. Did the wet dry thing. Started out with I think 320 and progressed up to 800. Again, it's not perfect, but it's a knife that's going to be carried in my pocket, so it's going to get dinged up and scratched anyway. But it came out pretty good. I know the camera really picks up all the fine scratches in there, but in real life, it doesn't look that bad. But I've always wanted one of these with a saw on it, so I've got that now. No advertisement on it. It's got all the blades that I think we need to carry occasionally. Screwdriver, bottle opener, or cap lifter as they call it. Larger screwdriver. Oh, I'm sorry. This was the can opener. Small screwdriver. This is the cap lifter with a larger screwdriver and a wire bender of sorts. Some oil still showing up there. Not oiled it really good. I think got good snap. Small blade here. Looks good. More oil. Main blade. Victorinox, Switzerland stainless, rust free. But overall, turned out really good. Nice clean knife now. Start carrying that for a little bit. Just carry a different knife every so often. Carry it for a while. Get a different one. And move on to the next one. I don't carry a multitude of knives. I don't feel the need for having knives and backup knives, and just weighs down my pockets. So one knife is all I usually carry, and it changes from week to week. This one I think I'll start carrying today. So thank you for watching. If you would, like, subscribe, share, leave me some comments. I'd appreciate it. Everybody take care and have a good day.